This video will help demonstrate how to utilize the skills learning aids and the accessibility in all of the skill-based training. So let's go and look at how you can have greater support using the skill aids and accessibility. I'll explain in just a minute. So let's go in to one of the modulars. We hit launch. So if you're working on one of the skill-based training you see here, you'll see that there's these learning aids to help support you. So I'm going to launch it. Initializing. And here we are. So this happens to be chapter 1. This happens to be one of the skill-based that you have to work with. And you notice in bold it tells you what you have to do. And if for any reason you're lost, you're confused, we have available to us the following on the right-hand side. Learning aids and launch accessibility right underneath it. So let me see if I could bring this window down a little bit so you can actually see the learning aids. Let me see if I can bring that down just a tiny bit. There you go. And you'll see the accessibility and learning aids. So let's go into that. So perhaps you're not understanding what to do, where to find something. For each of the questions, this is question 1 of 1. You have a learning aid associated. So this is a learning aid for 1 of 1. Once you go to the second one, there'll be another set of learning aids. So each section has its own learning aid. So let's go over 1 of 1. Let's find out what this is all about. And you have a variety of ways. You can practice, you can watch a video, or read a little bit more. So let's say you want to watch a video. So we'll click on this and see what happens. We'll hit the start button.
Save a blank document so that as you type or insert text, you can simply click Save on the Quick Access toolbar to save updates to the document. You might find occasion to insert text from a previously saved file into a blank document. In this case, your supervisor at the refuge created and saved a rough draft of the article promoting summer camps. You insert text from...
So that gives you an idea, a quick idea of the learning aid and what it's asking of you. It will show you exactly what to do. The other extremely important element is to look at your book. To go with the book that you currently have. That book, again, is the Office 2013. Chapter by chapter, it will coincide with the training. So you can look at your book, have your book open, ask yourself, do you have the book open? Ask yourself, did you use the learning aids? And if you have any issues with accessibility, we have that accessibility application that's right here for you. It will read things to you.
First name, last name, mail, people, messaging, desktop, 17, Wednesday, photos, finance, weather, Internet Explorer, accessibility off.
I shut the accessibility off, but you could have it read with you, if that helps. So if you want to go on to other questions, go ahead and try the learning aids. Again, you can use practice, watch, or read. The reading part will go over every example, step by step. And you can go to the next page and go right through each of the sections. So when you're confused or have any issues, this way you'll have the ability to print off, to read right here on the screen, but you have these multiple ways. The last way is the practice.
In the Windows 8 Start screen, type Word 2013 and then press Enter.
So again, the practice will take you through step by step. So you have many ways to accomplish and be successful with this course. So again, if you need me, my email address is located on the blackboard. Hope you do well. We'll see you in class.